Merry Christmas, dear ones. I absolutely love the holidays. There's something magical about this time of year when we come together with our loved ones, share kindness, and express our love in so many beautiful ways. It's a time when we reflect on the year that's passed, acknowledge the blessings we've received, and look forward to new possibilities. But even more than that, it's a time to live in the present, to accept the joy of right now. And this Christmas, I want to share something powerful that can create instant joy for you, no waiting, no wondering, just pure joy in the moment. The one thing you must do this Christmas for instant joy is to live in the feeling of joy now. It's simple, but life-changing. Imagine the joy you want to experience, and feel it now. This isn't just about hoping for happiness or waiting for the perfect circumstances. It's about creating joy inside of you first and allowing that energy to ripple out. In this video, I'll share how you can shift your energy to manifest joy instantly, bringing more love, peace, and magic into your holiday season. To manifest joy instantly, you must first understand the immense power of feeling. The holidays can sometimes bring stress or a sense of pressure, but if you focus on cultivating the feeling of joy before anything else, everything changes. The secret lies in your emotional state. If you allow yourself to feel joy right now, without waiting for the world to align perfectly, you open yourself to all the goodness and magic of the season. It's about shifting from a place of lack or expectation to a place of abundance, where joy is already here, in the present moment. When you align yourself with joy, everything around you shifts. You begin to see life through the lens of positivity and gratitude. Your relationships improve, your mood lifts, and unexpected moments of happiness seem to appear out of nowhere. Joy is a magnet. The more you feel it, the more it shows up. You'll find that when you embody joy, your surroundings will reflect it back to you in ways you hadn't anticipated. It's not about waiting for joy to come, it's about choosing to be joyful right now, no matter the circumstances. If you struggle to feel joy, start small. Simply close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Focus on one thing that makes you smile, whether it's a special memory, the warmth of a hug, or the beauty of the season. When you start with small moments of joy, it becomes easier to feel it consistently. The more you practice feeling joy, the more natural it becomes. This is how you begin to shift your energy from one of stress or tension to one of abundant joy. The key to manifesting joy this Christmas, and every day, is to live in the feeling of joy consistently. You don't need external circumstances to change in order to experience joy. The magic happens when you begin to feel joy within yourself. One of the simplest ways to do this is by imagining yourself already surrounded by joy. Visualize everything you desire this holiday season, whether it's a joyful gathering, time spent with loved ones, or simply feeling peace in your heart. Now, feel that joy deeply. Immerse yourself in the emotion of it. Don't just picture the event, feel it as if it's happening right now. You are creating a vibration of joy that attracts more of it to you. The more you practice this, the easier it becomes to stay in the state of joy. You can begin your day with a moment of joy, and as you go about your tasks, you'll find that joy stays with you. Your interactions will feel lighter, your mood will shift, and the joy you feel will begin to reflect in your reality. This practice requires commitment. It's easy to fall into patterns of worry or doubt, especially during the busy holiday season. But the more you commit to feeling joy, the less room you leave for negative thoughts. You'll train your mind to automatically focus on what makes you happy, creating a cycle of positivity and abundance. The key is to practice consistently and not give up if the results don't appear immediately. The more you stay aligned with joy, the more it becomes your natural state. Christmas can sometimes feel stressful, with so many things to do and people to see. But here's the good news: stress cannot coexist with joy. When you choose joy, you naturally let go of stress. It's not about ignoring your responsibilities or pretending everything is perfect, it's about choosing your emotional response to life. Instead of letting stress take the wheel, focus on finding joy even in the busiest moments. When you feel stress creeping in, pause for a moment. Breathe deeply and release any tension or negative thoughts. Acknowledge that stress is not helpful in creating the experience you want for this season. Simply redirect your focus to the joy of the present. You might take a moment to reflect on a beautiful memory, appreciate the company of those around you, or even just enjoy the twinkling lights of your Christmas tree. The more you make joy your default response, the less impact stress will have on your experience. It's also important to let go of perfectionism. Christmas doesn't need to look or feel a certain way to be special. When you release the pressure of making everything flawless, you free up space for joy to flow freely. Enjoy what's happening right now, and be grateful for what you already have. Joy thrives in the present, not in future expectations or past regrets. Imagination is one of the most powerful tools for manifesting joy. In fact, your imagination is a direct link to your emotions, and when you engage with it consciously, you begin to create your desired reality. Imagine what you want to experience this holiday season, whether it's a joyful family gathering, peace in your heart, or simply the warmth of a cozy holiday moment. Allow yourself to deeply feel the emotions associated with those images as if they are happening now. This is the essence of creating your own joy. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, you can imagine it now. When you engage with your imagination in this way, you're not just wishing for happiness, you're actively bringing it into your life. Take time each day to visualize what joy looks like for you, and allow that vision to fill you with positive energy. As you do this, you begin to embody the very feeling you want to experience. Imagination also gives you the ability to transform any negative situation into something joyful. If you're feeling stressed or frustrated, take a few moments to close your eyes and imagine the situation turning out exactly as you'd like it to. Visualize the joyful outcome, feel the relief and happiness in your body, and watch how that energy starts to shift your present moment. Imagination and joy are closely intertwined, and the more you use your imagination to fuel joy, the more joy will show up in your life. Gratitude is a gateway to joy because it naturally shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already present. This Christmas, spend time each day reflecting on the things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a warm cup of coffee, a thoughtful gift, or the laughter of family. Gratitude is not just a mental practice, it's a feeling that you can tune into at any time. The more you express gratitude, the more joy you attract. When you truly appreciate what you have, you open the door for more blessings to flow into your life. Take time each morning or evening to write down at least 3 things you're thankful for. As you reflect on these, feel the warmth and peace that comes with being grateful. The more you do this, the more joy will naturally follow. Gratitude is a key to unlocking joy, and the more you cultivate it, the more abundant joy becomes in your life. Gratitude also allows you to see the good in every moment. Even if things don't go as planned or there are challenges, when you focus on what you can be grateful for, you'll start to see how everything has a silver lining. This shift in perspective naturally aligns you with joy because it helps you focus on what is working, what is beautiful, and what is fulfilling. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools to manifest joy not only during Christmas but throughout the year. As we approach the holiday season, recall that instant joy is always available to you, it's a matter of choosing to tap into it right now. By living in the feeling of joy, you create the space for more happiness to flow into your life. This Christmas, focus on feeling joyful, regardless of external circumstances, and watch how the magic of the season unfolds in the most beautiful ways. The more you live in this joyful state, the more you'll experience the gifts of love, peace, and abundance that this season brings. Manifesting joy is your gift to yourself and those around you. When you shift into the energy of joy, you light up the world, and others will be drawn to that positive vibration. The holidays become a reflection of your internal state, and every moment becomes a reason to celebrate. You are the creator of your joy, and this Christmas is the perfect time to begin embodying that truth. So, my dear friends, make this Christmas one to don't forget, one full of immediate, radiant joy. Choose joy, feel it now, and let it guide you throughout this season and beyond. You have everything within you to manifest joy instantly, all you need to do is accept it. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to manifest the life you deserve. Wishing you a joyful, abundant Christmas season filled with love and happiness.